What's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday. If you don't know, now you know. It's your girl, dnia.deanna. Welcome to the page. Welcome to the double team D girls. Double this, double that page. What's up? So I'm doing a quick little check-in. I am going to be a part of the Black Girls Art Show, vending my Henna artistry. And the idea was to develop 2 customized henna sketches for our tattoos. So I did that. However, I'm not set on it just yet. However, but I started doing some sketches last night, and I want to show the 2 sketches that I've developed. For those that don't know, alchemy means alchemy in henna. So for those that understand what alchemy is, it's basically transforming nothing into something. Having this and transforming it into that. So that's why when it comes to my artistry within henna, alchemy, I'm gonna be transforming skin into walking masterpieces. So I developed 2 sketches last night. I'm not set on the sketches just yet, so I'm gonna continue to develop more customized henna sketches. But I developed 2 sketches last night, and I wanna show y'all. I love how my artistry speaks within abstract work. So I'm incorporating the technique of henna, however, creating it into its own language, basically. So the way that I'm forming my artistry within henna is going to be a lot of line work, a lot of abstract, a lot of shapes, a lot of different forms of, what's the word I'm looking for? Mind play, basically. Like, you can look at it and it can look like something to somebody. It's art. It can look like something to you, and then somebody else can look at it and it can look like something totally different. So these are the 2 sketches. Let me show you. So this design right here, you see how it's floral. However, keeping the liking of those that really enjoy floral work, but adding my abstract touch to it. So that's one idea. And then now this one. Oh, this one really is my favorite so far. It says jazz to me. Like, this gives jazz, this gives music, this gives abstract art, and I love it. So the plan is to have all 2 customized special designs for the Black Girl Art Show for those who come to the booth and want to get tatted up. So I'm customizing those 2 ideas and just allowing the art to flow. So those are the 2 so far I have. Those are not set. However, I'm excited to see what else comes to form, but they're all going to be custom designs only for the Black Girl Art Show. So if you've seen this, if I do post this before the show happens, which I should, come out to the show. Come get it tatted up. Come become a walking masterpiece by the girl. All right, y'all. Check in out. Peace. Rising sunshines. Okay, so today we're stepping into. Today we are going to the wood shop. We meeting up with Barrett. Shout out to you. Shout out to the bro. Shout out to the fam. Shout out to Paint the City. We are going to go cut out some pieces. But we about to go cut out some pieces. And yeah, gotta hurry up and get there right now, but it's lit. Cutting out these babies right here. Cut it. First of all, they got an edible machine. What? Know what I'm saying?
More, it ain't sound, it's more.
This is where we are. This is where we are. She is right. Say goodbye, girl. Say goodbye.